Okay, so if we look at these ones, do they touch? Do these two circles touch each other? Do they intersect each other, or do they never cross? Okay, so what we do is we look at the radius of the one. This one has a radius of 9, and this one has a radius of 1. Okay, so we get the radius for them. 1, square root of 1 is 1, square root of 81 is 9. So when you add then the radius of the first circle plus the radius of the second circle, 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Okay? So now, if the distance between the centers, okay, we're going to first find that, because think about it, if the two circles, let's say this one goes through 0, okay, and this one goes through 10 and 0. Okay, so the x value is 0, the y value is actually negative 10. Okay, so if you think of the radius of this one has a radius of 9. So if it goes down 9 units, okay, it's got a distance of 9 units down. This one has a radius of 1, and it starts at negative 10. So it starts 9, there's negative 9, there's negative 10. And you can see it's got a radius of 1. So obviously it's going to go like this. Radius is 1, and then 1 plus 9 is 10. Okay? So the distance of this radius is 9, the distance of that radius is 1. So if the distance between them is 10 units, then we know they touch each other. And we can actually see it, okay, because the radius, add the radius, you get 10. And now because this one has a center of 0, and this one has a center of 0 and negative 10, you can already see the distance will be 10. But if we want to do the maths, okay, we can say the distance formula, from the distance formula, we're going to say the distance between the centers will be square root of, that one is 0 minus 0 squared, plus the other one would be 0 minus negative 10, minus negative 10 squared. So that will give you square root of 100, which will be 10. Okay. So you can do it like that. Then you can say the radius of the one plus the radius of the second one is equal to the distance between the centers. Therefore, they touch each other. They don't intersect. They just touch each other. So whenever you add the two radiuses of the circles, and it's equal to the distance between the centers. The distance between the centers is the same as the radius of the one plus the radius of the other one. Then it means they just touch each other.